oh ansa ko ba ko akire ho
na so ba ko da ha ne
ansa ko bi tira se asem we na na obi ko busa ese na mo fimi amofimi go he
na ko sesana
na ko sesai
Sam wanu kwanu wasabi ababa wasabi ala oh na kaso mabi
we di akura na ebe ni aka na maka Sir John the late Sir John o frɛ Sir John na ne di nkoma Sir John na wapo mi say nyame ni yedi ni papa oh me say I see you get your best friend pa
na anopay and you remember ko
oh okro pon da woroma
ye do kuro be di birthday
kira say
ante wo se ma fam hotete enya asem kuma akora
minim so free ha wo be ko di na bi o say we no
asemo di na so kram ko bi church so bi invite me
so me say we ni e di na we ho ana mo say
shine na wo mu ntin sa utimi di ko di na
na no pe da gon krata no e ya hwede da wani mu ne de Obrempong
Chronicle di bia ba ha na Daily Post nso wo de kakra awo nchen
Ghanaian Times GT de obokrata no so abedwa so no pay
Daily Guide nso kitabe ti ye guide be bia na Akosua de cartoon bia ba me se enya senketo ma wa Daily Guide ha ye be ken kan ni nyinata e je mtele obi sha se fa fi ho no na ye mumu tew
yo ene na we simape ye fa ho ne aka na nyina asesanse na ebere ni ho ne ase ho adage ma me fa Daily Post enfan sha se ha na we dia medika ko international news aba sa Russia prominent anti-war politician be ya jele na 11 years o wono ye anti-war politician won pentokwa enti potent say went me na nya adwuma ye fra no Lev Schlossberg wono na wo mo punish no sa no se ya wo ma ka chere ne se won koda afia say 11 years say potent ko ntokwa na ade so pentokwa ya sebo na ai me wa famfo ni da ha na se ne me wa fa we do timi say campaign e che na wo she no se me wa fa e che no mission free ni ho e che she no enti wono wo she si to kra wo she che guso eno no so ai ne che no so na nya me die bi sei no nye ono de ne ye ni a ye so anu sei ni bi ana watene ne nsa sei ana wo gina tropa ne nchen ana wo ka kire Oman say wo mo ye America fo adamfo ne so Oman hwe yo babombo wo ka kire Oman sei wo pese wo koya de wo Iran say Iran for no mo nkontokwa ne nwi bata say Oman fo twintwintwan wa nam Oman fo no twintwintwan wa nam ti wo man hwe yi a wo babombo wo no pese wo be clear wo mo kra afiri ho Oman no say no I say o ma yesa mensem nti obetimi ayi o ma afiri ho one time mampani mahamanfo ni da ha ena page 3 ha Daily Post wo de aba we ya mamwo de no wo say Mahama announce $10 billion new economy investment program say sika no wo de 10 billion e ba be shima na koyie pa ena aban so ayeso de 5 billion e de kwa kowura agriculture ene agro processing ni nyina within 4 years no na atimi akoyie na manfo ka say sika no de oboso say no de a ya no mu nim say so pa so e be wi akiri no na akwa bibia ho na ba bia me de wie ewo Daily Post mu no sana no Ashanti region wo mo ko abato so no wo mo de kakra ba no mo si hwehwe de ode aba ha Daily Post ankasa wo ye hurufu NPP Ashanti region secretary reject claims of disloyal to Baumia enti François me amini François Dr. Francis Adomako na so wo mo so no wo ne Baumia amfa hansi ano se nya no kra na okay Reverend Kusibuaten wo de aba ha wo se nti we nti se Baumia ye madam fu nti mo pese mo de metu mo ampa mo fa me ko 100 years meba ai Reverend Kusibuaten e kan ena da hai page 5 page 4 ha ya aya Daily Post wo say if you want to imprison me over my friendship with Baumia go ahead wo ka de atira ban wo nyampa bia monye de no ana ai OSP sanko pesu owura mu wo ai AXA energy bribery scandal no attorney general so man kwan on tran baby was who be owura mu no na no am for ready meanings to it meanings am for ready comment section ho na say attorney general pesu ya asem no police case enti no pese OSP ba be wuram OSP wuram a wo betwe asem no tentan sa aman asem no so pese o ye do twachire na wo pe se galamsey amra no wo pia asem no ba akokọ se wo pia asem no ko se amra no ba akum no wo kata so ye reclamation enti mamefa chronicle so mo so taw na menwie na yuji bo achantwi so kanin so bi mra se bedwani ni mfoni da so page na secretary e 1pp ai eno wase wono wo ba no na message ma quotation ya chronicle de ba yes ye hwehwem wo ba no wase I will restore 5,000 per constituency stipend say na omo 5,000 constituency bia woman 5,000 kubura so mo fanya de na no nam se jama woman de akosha adaka wase wo ba wo beye enti we no ye another e na manfo bi say na no say Fred Blake aso beto boss e de ama party no na sa boss wo to ye o de koma so de koma STC so mo manage no sa boss na hon sem te say wo mu ni kan ko ye sa probe ni nwi ansa na 5,000 stipend promise na ba na ai Frank anodom pre ensoma do agiri mra se bedwani mfo ni da ha ene wo kire say amanfo a eye galamsey e wo mampani mahama na mamuo yi mu no they are doing galamsey with impunity just say wo mu hwe nsuro fere hwe lord kwan mu kura no mo de excavator kwesi wo mu tu galamsey enti anodom pre na de wo allergy eno de mfo eno na no wo ka no na no memenda no wo say 2028 abato no ye galamsey na beto nti ombetu abane se ne yetu galamsey and NDC youth wing no woman so they are calling for stronger action against galamsey illegal mining e hon komo what they aba chronicle say ya yenkenkan Numbers chapter 30 verse 2 no na nsa ne ebeduru ho no and na wode aba ha editorial semfo adwempo we say new strategy to prevent illegal miners from returning to forest reserve laudable it's new strategies no unya chronicle asem for adwem page 4 wode aba ho na chronicle say ya yenkenkan Numbers 30 verse 2 no Akosua ya no akantwi na ma wona aben ho na brofo ne say Numbers chapter 30 verse 2 brofo ne if a man makes a vow to the Lord and takes an oath to bind himself with a binding obligation, he shall not violate his words. He shall do according to all that proceeds out of his mouth. Chini beka se numeri. Mo. Mo. Koi. Very good. Enti anna manfo busa. Sa question here, quotation here chronicle de bayi. Enna manfo gina so no mu busa. Boss sata na 10 regions no. Boss wa Fred Blake asa wo to de am MPP fo no. Sa boss no. Ehun asem no. Wodi busa yi. Ena wodi akowura mu de akoye our restore 5k per constituency stipend. Wo mu so. Enu nti sa asem kro ye say ye di galamsey yes. Wo mu ye adwuma with impunity. Na galamsey be ye ntokwa wa Ghana he. Mampani ne nkomo na akosisen. Eno na youth wing ya. Wo mu NDC mu ejina quotation we su busa mampani se ne mu asem wo kan yesu betu galamsey ase no. Wanye ho adwuma.
Mefa Ghanaian Times GT de obokrata no mrane was the most authoritative newspaper. Kasepa ya wade eba ye eokrata fe no etoso edu eminu na FDA fo na ebo amane yi wo se wo hu viral video bi wantentan fidie ni so a na ebi mu kire mu se ye broad ye ya ubedu kwan chen ba bi na eguo na abre na sede board na abre no aye fita wan mu hwe mo hu se amanfo bi edi enuro ana body bunu ne yade gusuwa na abre by force premature bre enti no wo kopie mu e wa Madina wo mo ene la Kwantanan municipal assembly no ye no ehye Madina mu no wonom ekoye no wo makwachecheche adwadifo ni bia ampara ne nuane ampara body ya ne ye hye na duro na abre enti no ye be ya me obi na kire me wo be se body we ye hye na duro no na ebre a enhye da anya kosa ye fita kakra enti no FDA for abomu amane se wo mugusu a wonom ehwehwe nsem krata farm etoso edu emienu e wo GT de obokrata imu oswani a wo hwe amanoya ho samso ononyamfo Muntaka Muhammad Mubarak Alhaji man triple M and worker say wokoshia National Muslim Conference yaw ekoso e wo Enkran ha Accra ena no kwasiada na wode atudwa se mo asabi mo de amagana da na ne ho dwono na yen timamufo ye ho dwe yen ya mo mpɛ no ya mo de mo se mo pɛ basabasa ye ɛna se china se no mo be ma basabasa bi asie ejina se bi a esumu we se me som ha we se de ni migidi etie ne nanu de si wo post headquarters wo de bi sei ɛna ode ye faton woni no ye kyewa emra ne ni ubedi no ya no so munsam kratafa to so edu emienu e Ghanaian Times obo krata yi ewo ahanom esei na yenyina ye nim se ensem a ewa asem ni bi a ye di efa owura dubu ahene ne yere ho no na wonom lawyer pani onunyafo Sami Atachia e de kwato eye Accra High Court wanim se sa lawyer fo no ekobre ko omko omahomgiem enti no wo masa frese wo ma media asem ne abusuan yi wanim sem dada ensem a wonom de koye no Sami Atachia se enka High Court no enhye na asem a wo so wo nto aso ni wa bra lawyer fo wo na homgiem no wonom entwachire kura na wo so spend wonom vacation no eniwiasa na akoma beto ansem die no so High Court abo asem na to ba bi kura ye no so mu nsem ewa hanom se posifo akire mu dalega ewa nandom emesini nim wonom akwache adehye makoma kwa adua edu 914 page 3 no ewa Ghanaian Times obo krata ni nyina fa enubone ho ene structures nso a wonom hyase bi atonton nubone womo ebo jam na fa wonom hwenim na fa wom ba bia no womo akrim bebrenu a egu a eno so mu nsam GT de obokrata yi ede aba ha yi ewura bi ekopie mo ewo konkromo ase asantemantam anadwo so wampo adwumantam anadwo be set 12 no so anam kwa so ekwa na brawi wagina no no se maame fa bag ne bros me fa ma fabra o twen bafo se carpet twagwam na no de trete no na wura so de ne bag ma no e no kobo posifo a wonam e wata so ma so asantemantam mu amane ye kwakira brantie yi Christian Owusu ne din so de Christian Owusu na womudi ko gina adaka mu wase wodi fo enti wo fa ncha no na yo judge otena adwam so yo ye de achew enso ne kura u konfinhie edu krata fa to so miesa e wo GT de obo krata yim yabomu amane koko farmers no mo bu afu yi webi mu ese koko board bill no a empanifo e de ba ye no wo so mo gitum se twetwe asantematamfo na kasa wo so ma gi atum na so pie mu e watoye mantam wo se hene ne ha ye nchele obiada krata yi page 4 no wodo enhonsam so aba wa ha no mo se adane chede amawo na ye ko krata fa to so edu emienu ho abiewu a empanifo a womo edi womo adwuma ewo Security and Exchange Commission SEC for 2026 wanu chiremu se womo levy a womo tuatua no amma ne humne so dodo enti no we page 13 ewo Ghanaian Times GT de obokrata yi womo di munsam edi abaha no mu se ya womo se 400% oh anu odin empanifo hye ne enya ho bibi ma wonum onyenyafo Sami okuje tobra kwa eda page 15 ha ewo Ghanaian Times de obokrata yi wose lie esiye ewo eye South Africa memu a sabio aya bibifo ya pam wonum hye gebek no sade upiemu ewo Church of Pentecost womo ekwa asode wo hompanimfo womo aya wonwade pa aboa epe baabi kakra ede ama adehia wonum ewo South Africa memu ese wonum enkonkwata no nsam page 15 no ewo Ghanaian Times do bokrata na no pe na aposo bia wode buy madani echidi asomo
na yo for the legal
Great Lamte Mills. Sani Efreho.
Ana aboy mu akwakan na wakwachira akura wanya mfinhia no 11 years ababawa ya gokokunwo ena kromafo no kwa dowa no wo mo kwa da se watwe no na kwakura edan bi ya yensi wiye mu na boto ne nyoma bi kitikita no ne so mo kwa wiemu no na nipa eti kwa kura ni nipa ho na mdua na bi nhyehyɛmu a ɛnɛ ɔpanyin no wɔmadoa no na young cocoa farmers wɔn sobofu ɛkyerɛ sɛ afi 2026-2027 purchasing season no ɛduru so na so kwan a cocoa board ɛfa so no mɔdi sɛ adwuma no toto cocoa no ɛnya de a wɔn bɔdwo so koraa ɛno nso mpanyinfoɔ ɛnka bi ɛmfa ɛma wɔn wɔn ɛno mu asɛm ɛnso ɛda ha na yɛrɛ atrabodie yɛ na wɔkɛn ɛno so wɔde mu amanebɔ abaababɔ yɛ a wɔbɔ mu amane yɛdi ara kɔngo nso ebola yadeɛ no ɛno so wɔn bɔ mu amaneɛ sɛdeɛ nipa si bi wuo wɔ di ara kɔngo no ɛyɛ ade a ɛha atwene yie papaapa nti yɛmpa ni ɛmfa mɛhwɛ ɛno nso mu asɛm ɛda ha yɛ a wɔbɔ emu amane na baako a medi wie ɛyɛ Ghanaian comedian bi a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Abdul Waris Abdul Waris deɛ no ɛno wɔbɔ mu amaneɛ ɛwɔ ha sɛ Abdul Waris nyame anim nie wɔse sɛ si a no wohwɛ mu a na yɛ na agye gɔn
na yɛ something but ne nyinaa mu no ɛyɛ
sɛ ka ho bi na ɛso na Abdul Waris deɛ no wɔse sɛ content creators ne wɔn mu ma gyegidin no kenken kwa wo wɔse wɔn ma gyedin wɔ mɔnten so na so bɔtɔ mu no and reflect wɔ hɔ
ayɛ sɛ industry bi a minimum dini deɛ ɔbɛgye
na so bɔtɔm ne nkɔ yi anti wɔbɔ wɔn amaneɛ wɔse wɔn mu ma gyegidin no a wɔn nam no ma dress hyɛ
comedian Waris no uni no
ayo
abranteɛ yɛ Abakay unim comedian
wɔnenam.com no so
wɔnenam.com no so wɔne me wɔfa se Kwame Obed mo
okay na nina
Clemento Suarez mo no General Tatia mo squad no
Jenny wɔse wɔn bɔtɔm no nkɔ yie sa nti wo ma gyedin a yɛ kenken kwa nti anuanom akorɔmfo a muti wɔn mo wo mu hyɛ da niska
ono oba wo de online taxi na eba enti hu se wo te car mu fefefe no oba nyane dia ready
engrofo yi bi no wafa
na imagine so akoshi akwa mi Obed papa abrante wachi gu ho guy wa se na space na Obed na wono phone kro de ya de kra iPhone 6 Kwame ne mi ke me bo aka je me se me bo wono iPhone 6 na so koshi na akwaje na dia na akwaje afri ni ho
wo mu ni phone no mu na ho I was 3 butterfly schools na ye kan for dia ma say bad time for obanoko na ye ba be fa phone lines ni se sia na fe ye de awura mu ya homa ni ye 0260 196064 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 0260 196065 3 butterfly schools ye kan for dia mo bibia ebusua ye se hyase ne fa obanoko na wo de akoda ne konso wonu hu de biara da ye wo school bo no wo de akoda ne ko Agyai wa akora do benya na nka wo kyere na de wo fie san se wo mu ntwa taw na 3 butterfly schools de ye betumi aka de ensasi ye bose ye te wo mo so ne asore school papa nie school na cha se wo wura mu a compound ne kora po kyere ekasa enjansa na wo si compound ho na won ko classrooms na won hwe nneoma wo mo de kyere de teachers ne kora ho fama no bibia e top notch entihyase fa oba ne ko na 3 butterfly schools abusua won konko sua de wo mo gi free 3 months to 5 years wo betumi de akora na ba enti wo foforo entwen ka so me twen ama akora na nya afe ansanam de na kwoto school 3 butterflies fa akora ne ko won be kyere na tete na kama enu so nya afe ko no na borofo yi wotene kama twi ne so na kakra na mu kyese bebia na wate bebia bi na won mo se ade a efe na ani kan se won mo app bi a wo ba time no betumi dia monitor wo ba no dwumadie bia ya wodi wo school ni mu wo mpewe na apade enti wo bra school ni mu na abagentete no wo de akoda ne ko no abagentete no a na app yo mo install bi dia ma wo bebia da mu pefee na wo se sama school no wo no ma hyase 3rd August ya no mo hyase kopem 31st August 094071 0556 071 na ne won mu ni nkomo hajia special foods ni ye kwaje aduane papa banku fufuo tilapia tiozafi bibia bi eginegine mu wache waye adwuma no pa no wotwe kopem no wotwe empemu Monday to Monday da bia waye adwuma hajia nsa no adwuma no 0246 359 921 na one won mu enim komo ensuo no de eye kasa natural mineral water ni ensukoje party wedding engagement outdoor na yie no kasa natural mineral water o ebusuan hyase na ne won mu enim komo mu akra ha yi 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 na afewo ne won mu di komo na sa wo pesompa Your client service line and afei woni ye di nkomo se eye wadwaton de bi na apese ye bon de wuro de ma wo anase nkomo sonku bi na apese woni ye dia ye homa ne nie 0531 me ba cho nya abotere ne nya adaje ne tworo ne yi 0531 886216 0531 886216 na wona mpanyifo eni enkomo na bebia enkoyi emfama na afedie yenkwa woma no so 7:30 kan na ye kwa kodi nkomo no end point homeopathy clinic nie wase kronoma bo hanya ya no mo kronoma bo hia kumase na kra shell signboard Spenters Road ehon so behu wonom awo mu nsem bema wade ne ntimi nya adwuma yie ana wankasa no kidney liver problem yade nketenkete bia ba bedwa wo so a end point homeopathy clinic kwana doctor for ensure physiotherapy massaging ne nyina wa mudi wo dwuma 0244 867068 0244867068 na wone mpanyifo eni enkomo ye kwa omano so na fei yafa course ne dodo no a de afi honom. Hello, good morning. Udi ne babia kasa free. Medafopa, good morning oh. Ajo, yanko ofofro nso so na ye ne ofofro nkodi nkomo za ne kwenkwen ne namu no na ye ne ofofro enkodi enkomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Eba cho udi ne babia kasa free. Yo. Oro na o what to say? Where Akosua?
Akosua.
Ayo, eje wa kwode nie. Se ma hu se wa yera na. Ai.
Oh, ba do we.
Eje na dom na won so
Oh, na go pa dom. I am the review the register no. Me do baka ho.
Matia.
Agyeiwaa Akpare. Oba Agyeiwaa Kodie. Obrempong. Apomdada.
Na Abakay.
Wo ya de.
Oh, nyame adom, nyame kokra.
Ye do la de ase. Ma me ko ti anso de. Ye trempa bo man pa. No me pa cha. Am fa ka me dam no wa se ne me ti ase kwam. Me pa cha. Greater hey, Debbie on the way. What I could not chairman. I was in a good delegate. I'm a controller. National chairman is here. What Jacob? And you walk to do no women with dear. Oh, with my camp with your bone. What Jacob? I did deal. I'm not going to run. Power in the air. Okay. No, vice chairman. I got in a good phone. Papa, okay. My goodness.
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What did you know by Yanchia? Maybe I told you about Casafu.
Nepacho, wow, Yabema, IFM, APC. I'm going to up bed. Napacho, sister, we are here.
Yamiadum, Namus.
Me too, boys here. You must kai do this. Voice here, the Papa Yamishawati. I'm come at them so. You need kind. Michia, as I come to the 10, but Michia would
Uber, you were free.
You have to communications at Chubu. Yes, my neck and fair man, Pajanaka, and Radis, and from Bonnie Chairman. Or come to for Muntuman, and I bind deputy. So Catamaso, also on Oko, and Tama West, Charlotte, and the Castle, yes, I'll be made to so. Okay. Catch empty before you say. Say, Omua. Amunda Munya in Kashamuma, Nesam, and Yamako Forest. Yes, Mau Bianco, no pop passing Rasta, young comb. And you catch a gram, I am more empty for, and my check quiet data. It is a damn 8 years. I send Porto. Now we have about 1.5 years. What you are day? I am to watch here. It is more Pecata to Munjacata. Now, Mama na gana po anya mujije atu abamanu onti eduma na mi share oduma fa marketete we ja tem abigalo na sha mo ganza na
okay hello good morning
na apom to say
eradi adom na wonso e
boko ye from ajikum we ka sa free kasa
okay
ode na mi sha madam manager na Mr. Apam and Eda. Na me de kaka me kan say blue na isi man do she
Mediano. Medium Kaikam and quiet, Chimana, and Chigan and Phone to come. This answer, Omana, a cabba.
Okay.
The telephone now, a market for Romu Queen.
Sure.
Said Romu for come, my man of family. The medium is sexy, Chimana, and then foreign ministers, no care, I'm really bad. Media cram, I didn't take a cram. It's up on the chair.
It has see. Yachemana, hello, good morning. I don't know who lower radio, Mamma. Why,
Maybe. I'll tell you.
Aha, mo, why are you?
Young Koyan. You are not a Jack out here, men call it you. And this hour, you can take a Treviana will I'm Jack General Secretary.
Okay.
Let's like Secretary Oba. October, or Metrobaman. Never been sober. Also, bar for test by chairman. Also, October, also, you had no caught in. And I came also bar for national organizer, also, Kobe, Chris Lord, also, national youth organizer. Some performing at October, you are the boy. You mentioned before 24 and Cocrafona also. Oh, Mamma, I'm telling you, we will be young man. About what to say. Ruka, one is about pressure, which my what do you say? And I got as I'll be about communication. Then we can President Mama can say what the economy. Yeah, no, economy is what are the Shemaya Dendium? Well, I did some son about way. What about you? What may you?
Yeah, that's see. Hello, good morning.
Our poem to them.
A radiatum now way.
Must slow pa of from Y2K.
Okay.
A human on the Ayacakra.
Okay.
Said Bill phone line, I say, policy I'm from the Bobby.
Okay.
Hana offered we him figuring on shame.
Okay. And Chiano what are my member Kakra? And Chiano, yes, a 1 minute. Minute and a barco, any day cassa. And it's our Chia, mana drew 1 minute. What are Ness, you be free.
Man, cut the move, I made you there. All the catch the Nippon them potro, was some of the Bontofa, the one we see. Now, over there, radio program, I was until the Casa, what am I so? No, if you are. I am so.
Okay.
Sabi, I'm about 50 years, make us 60 years.
Okay.
The same thing that this if you penny fool, why a fair. Now, no papa penny may throw away free. To Mopocho, slow. Oh, Cassan Mopocho for one of baby. Come on.
It has seen
I no pay.
Okay.
But some like a cram of Padama can you there? Or man and all say, like a presenter. Master engineer, man, come up. Na eya wadwene there oh democracy to be afra on come up madam man onye yet some man this for kind sami jevi kind akufo ado na busuafo e galam say ada agrofo a was we journalist bi we asofo wo solitaire madam and na ya tan wo another your sister station wa catcher galam say for we this for farm plantation.
Okay.
Afi management wo gwan osro wo brother asano kwa wa kan bibi because ni para bo pa mo wa ba ya hono dom e ba sre the way nsu say I hope that he has something masre e be firi do afa 1 minute fa kan hia kwan sabi amemi afa ntinyo but the way nko akalo palo kuma se kwan do ada kwaya tan ano pray mi chana na bi
okay
ana ai wa friend dan Dr. Esigu Central Regional Chairman. But that's it.
Amen. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
If I should dinner, baby, I can say free.
Why do Kenya go point up? Oba me pacho, Oruboni. I buy you in the free. So me see any from you look.
And was I be? Oba, what Chiama na boso. You, whatever Maka say, ni into.
Any from you look at me, Chiao.
Kasai, whatever.
My dear, we are papa. And I don't come out them.
Meet you.
But I'm not going to say. I said, yeah, President Mahama. I hear. And you know, school day, no,
okay.
Be a school day, what you have to 24-hour market economy. Abogroshi, Nagogroshi. Also, good one, I see 24-hour economy market. Papa, Jaffa, Food, Galam say how can the two here? One to me and 2 here. I don't hear I had 2 here. Yapa Chow, okay, say, oh, but I'm a 24-hour economy. What they back, I don't want to shut 2 mile. I want him. One to me and yet. And I knew my book, bank, then work, then 24-hour economy. Yeah, then I 24 night market, no, don't papa Mahama. Go back to your 4 Chiamaka. Only a minute, you are bye.
Medasi, I was Yamada Roma, a buoni and dear Quanso. Ya Breno, 8 year. Enti se obi bejina so na se bi wo kasa tententi ana se bi wo de yenchi a ekobana sa ofoforo nso nya kwan ma sa abre no so ya fo obi e de gina so nti esrem a aya mo nti ase e 1 minute. Hello, good morning.
Uni aba no panya me asum bi nkan.
Enkan so do me ba cho di ne be kasa fi.
Yes, sem na amu ako a me kasa fi asuboi e wo ayenso no constituency.
Okay.
Uni aba me ne wo ya adwen. O kyo ba ho ma no so bi a o de be yen chat tententi bi a yi fi so. What shall you back on you? Or we bought a register. Como was I mean, Chia and Abi, income first vice, and an income national chairman, national organizer. Minaba, and that the Galam said, I didn't send something on minor corner to me a year ago. I asked some myself for your fun and yes, some near Canadian because the Galam said, at your minor could be here and Marqua was what. The Bakana and Sabakuni, the Bakana and Nibakuni, the Bakana and Nabakuni. I added a million. Okagalam says, Sama, and it was inflation above from Okagalam say once a month, it's $1 above from $1 above from inflation. I think it is not before the one over 15 months, and it's for Jomaka. Stuff also, the Dia widening, and the inflation now above from that $1 from as a matter of fact, at any area, 24-hour market, your creation market war, your Mokona market war. Market war. More 24-hour market. Now, our horse is said, Bubu School, 24 hours, the school day. There's a Bubu School, that was market war. Segment of it. Yes, I know the Bubu School, I was market war. Sure. I mean, count. I may it has see. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Honorable Sompa 106.5.
Although didn't be a casafi.
The patch of bright near the Casafi Abusokai.
Okay, maybe I into you and pay.
Ati Maminchia Honorable Alaji Kondo Abutu Castle, National Security Liaison Officer. Upon the Bojima Sompa Agyeiwaa. That's now Honorable Joshua Amidu Akamba, is the Obian Kopo and Kapapa no Papa. No Bonomba. Unim Galan said, Lin Nayetri. And I said, John Damani Mama. And Akuma so pass of FIT Galamse. Share pass Rusha Keneboa, how that Namano, a Jumadia or Bo, how more we illegal mining. Obo Juma, ye so Jenny for I'm another Shena Namo. Ye best sir, or no Subay Juma to say the Keneboa, a year Juma Ediboa, Galamse, no, on the Kuwaitia, because they are there, and there's a John Damani Mama. Akuma so papa. Share 24-hour economy no. Baso. Share the way at the Belsiaye. And to say Koguo. Nay, 24-hour market. Fefe. Ewo honum. Nay, see ho. Edi market woman. Ewo honuma. MPP for when inji wana. And I say NDC for one. And the Beko ye juma. Ewo sa market mo no. Share baby na market nashi. Na go shashi. And then your market papa, and the aboa, same before any papa for Mudijua, and will market in Muno, or bet you Munjai, let me see market, and farmer market women are any hour more at Bugusio, now with me find Yechuma, and for my law, mine and two poor, or be around Pebiarano, go Krum, Neko Yujma
Krum. Hello, good morning. Because I saw a general switch away. Maybe I told you to be a casafi. What are Mamma? Hello. Maybe I say. Okay. Ain't you want to pay? What are Mamma?
That's it. Yamisha or some pie. Yaminka, why? Any of my power, your boy, my God. Now, why any salon? May Tia, Dr. or Pompusu or National. At the same time, as you may Tia. But Tabuti, also called Deputy National Deputy Organizer, which is Marian Itano, Mamika Bibincho, NPP abeyin dieko NDC abeyin dieko me to me no galanse no esa shoot and kill esa na ya kati eni yensu nyina bibia be okay so to mate but say ya be kwa ko yema galanse po mo to de bia no mu wanwa soldiers and police for there esa shoot and kill bibia be do din secondly 24 hours economy esa Ghana point anya to bate sabi mama onya magiki so to mate bibia be fa process na ya to fe show enti omuto entity omuto mboati jama to mboati ya mo be do opposition ache e se ni oye papa no e se udi adwinipa any support internet no mani yeye o mani ayeye a eye mami ni wo e se so e boya nkasa ye triso enti ye se se suban mi da se nyamishira o
amen na shoot and kill ya no panyi ken ba so nso a ye beka se aban no ekunkuma de hye ni nyina ye nyama mpanyimfo adiombe. Hello, good morning.
One morning, mini abana pum ti say you.
Adom na wonso
Nyame aye na fam de mediane na nakwa me a me frefre ni boy tan o kan kwe no. A woni mi si nyame ya adom ni bie kwa nyame ko executive member e o kan kwe no. The mon ko so na mo mo amenye campaign na Sompa for there. Ye ne mo ana eko na ena no pa enu machia onabo tamimu uko enkoko constituency a ona ye real ona ye MC ewo enkoko na kakra me kan say wo hwe ni nyuma papa no ya eburu adwene nti ase so galamsi asema na Sompa ye discuss wo hwe ATS yewura kufuado ne yewura ba omia ba ya oma bese o man no yensuo ne ye ne na ATS yewura mama ba ye wonyanya ATS so ate ase oba ye 2 years ko onyanya ye eye na yen support galamte de nya de obia prese of galamte o ye na ye pese ye tira nkom ye nyite ye nya nsupanom ni enuane ni bibia ebe ye no ebe ye de emfa yale nya de emre enti so bi de ATS aba bese ade na se wo a wo ba ye nya 2 years omo pese o de just 1 year eti me ati nsuani anase stop galamte ya enti me nye yeta enti ye na yen support ye mute ewura jondo mani mama you chief of staff no more ka obi akwa no modern but ye na ye support minimum se galamte na de atro be ka se na ya na tem bia meka no ye wura tamimu wo hwe nkokọ ne mpeso aso a we think it woni ahifuni na aka bo mu te enya de omba makwa ma nkokọ de galamte ne bia koso enti ne omo ne task force no mo ye o ma afade a omba ye agwa ku bibia de akoyie enti ye support na MC for na mo gba juma ne tem bia ye mo ma baso na omuso omaninye so atiase edi ye ne sa bibia be de ebe koyie o hwa economy ya se bibia timagina edi ka sam ne bibia e koyie edi yan koso ne support ma bibia koyie nyame nkamo
amen. Hello kosese wagina so achempa chodi ni be akasa free
yo me da se ya frame abanya mi kasa fra chama zenu andakun katamanso
okay abanya ti wa no be
me na me call for deputy communication ewo Katamanso.
Oh wow.
Etemitia college ni na mitia Dr. Agyeiwaa Forestry Commissioner CEO.
Okay.
Anapeye chiano.
Okay.
Minister, ayana insani bi wo ha utie chi na MPP for ni ka na eye azo papa. Minister, ATS ye bi o man we sia mi sa o. Ye hu amefu amudi bre ye o. Aya na mu fi se Ghana for se bi oye wuru le nim kosoro ye bi amemu ase wo nsa for good 8 years ke kwenya wo fa so obe mismanage your my way abe se nyama poto ye sika sambasa o many resources who me fan eye di basa ateki is excellency John Dramani mama less than 2 years chawo wadi papa ni ye iti mu pone ye kagana sema ye kabete dia e wo se mu kama nutumu esa te ye mu record
okay
minister ni mani bi wo a uti echi na uti the MPP poka chekwe mu fa so a mu bet say ye river body near forest reserve say ye kala se photo every year ye ko mo kata mu minister ma me fa ma minister mo kata mu minister akudi apobe ndaki tama utumi se kwaya wa fatu ye forest munu enye kwaipa eteki president mu apoma president Kupado ebe ka se akontama ni utumi nye galamse
Afrefo ni mi. Hello, good morning. Yanio, me pacho didn't be a casa free.
Me ba chawo me din e de ke chira on fe me so fi Madina.
I won't pay into one pay.
Wa bo mo tre.
Adom na onso.
Mami che Nyankopon. Nyankopon chia me chia no. Mami chia Ghana man penini eye ni unyanfo nyansane ahofedua. E John Rabbi Masoma. Don't judge this. Okay. You go to ohun chudo yan kan woda
sure
bedi
yenti
o
okay
mami fenfia galamse na ye kan waso enye ye nyina ya boju sege de bose gana so ga se gana sase ye mu hunu mpenifu ka se bo se abu de bedi mebu enye mi yo se kwakwa ni san shaki kan so na ontumi ngo na mi de MPP fu politics na ba no omuka gansa se ana mahama ntumi ntuga se ase ana fa akosia na midi ya wo mimu bisa misia de ntia aye trempo boate sal cassette voice no wu bi enka bebu ya mi midi otu mo pipi bai mo so mo pesika de party ejuma galamstay omu aka so mo penifo so mo tuo Plaza House wo kwa se na gapo piemu wo etiwa forest ene Akufo Krum. Say ya di papa Akufo to me to Galamuse na say Emma ansana Mahama baye ena yes anka omokanka min kasa.
Okay.
What to dinner to ama what to ma papa Akufo fie kebi fie PlayStation ni na omu to Galamuse. Say satinya akunta mine. Kuna ayadia ye papa Akufo ni to preference namra kwaso. Oye taputuwe ote nyeliga enya boni ena wonu clear no ene de na yehu aje bibi no mu je kan nge tie na mi ye o so mu party na ka se go to be cheche no aka na 2028 beba abayemu
yeah that's it. Hello, good morning, last caller.
Good morning, Minu Aba.
Me ba chodi ni bebe aka se free.
Ideally champion of the Adamsa free Ashama. Na many opportunity there. Maybe I'm a boss, Captain Joshua Hamidu Akamba Obiano, Mentiano.
Okay.
Or vice chairman for NGC National. I mean, here, I'm a big girl. Also, so National Master Organizer. Mentia Company Union. And you remember, also, on my move, Yenima Yankoni, for NMA Yankoyeni. Sir, I but not was over the UBP. About the very young for Yamoma Salab Adia Amino. Minaba, I will go to Kohoma, put to meet a 1 million foot room. Roman Penny will say no more honor. Or more bread, and Jab Esso market mom, where I am a bonnet so. Yes, you come out in a Galamsey. Galamsey, I will enter to go and you found what a cocoa weird. And this is where I can see this idea in the year. And some professor at home. And the papa, if you have a clear professor, Galamsey, so do chat. As you can now go through the Abakay, I didn't have Galamsey, Papa, yes, I am an agani, and you call a bad thing. Minaba, yes, a year 2 years. Near the year 2 years, I find you a virtual McQuire, yes, a tax, and so you are the tax boss. So good to every chat, I'm not going to use car, I find out the Guno.
Okay.
If you have a second year, because you have money, and to my talk to SABA, a put to the Bamagan, a vineyard, a canoe, a GCC squad, as you know. Yes, you can. It's when I am married, you
are my senior BB, yet I say, every single Damunia, more say, more I'm afraid, more want to me unfair, more Moguso, I'm afraid. Yami will Shiramunina, Yadam was said, I'm was say, aha, and a brother may acquaint, ama yade lines no SCA yintimi emfa afrefo no bi onfa enche was akwan so na afi madaworoma mahye ne nso de amaye we de hu hia ye pai bokoto dwem ye sremo sane ye obia fra opeso wakana sem ye benya enke be ma wa fra saa na nko obia gina so aka de wone busu nyina owi ana nko wakate no na so ye bre na de ye adwuma no ye sremo ye bre ni sha enti se obi ba no wagina so ne ye kate no a mama na hawo 1 minute ne ye de ye adwuma enti se wode ye be ye nche a 1 minute ne so a yakatewo yesrew eno ne wose mo hye ne nso de maye eno ne ye policy a ye de ye adwuma ye da mo ase na ye soro so de akona ansa ye be kono aba wasenti ya wabe na de tuja wo birthday bi
ane
ye ntomo bi
yo ako me da say ene World Tuesday World Tuesday ene yam husband now awoda enti no ene nyankopon e de afe baako aka ora Steven Kofi ane me ho kani papa ono na nyankopon yi me free ne mfe eno that Facebook no eso no enti no darling nyankopon hraw na onye okese onye wakoma so ade nyina ma wo me ne o mani nyina otna wadwoa osa yesi yama happy birthday nyame enye okese na oma osika bebre unim se odo ame wo ma wo no so exceptional a demonstration ko into no me do papa nyame hraw na onye okese happy birthday dear
you love one thing I really love messages oh nyame hraw no
amen
nyame hraw de afa ba ko aka ne fi ho nyame yade
amen
nyame yade na aba asem tia wa bai na odi to dwan
birthday na ka tre wa
ho birthday no
eso no
you want to love messages so okay
ento no but our sister no so happy birthday ekodi ama Fidaus Seidu woye na juma ewo woye nurse ni ewo Techiman Government Hospital Bono region we efri ono ankasa ne husband enti ne Fidaus ukunu ya ye frɛ no Bonfire aka Fire 1 wase happy birthday nkoma wo nyame nhira no onye okese Fidaus na onto won kwande papa
ya ka tire Fidaus say ya wontie Sompa 106.1 ewo Techiman
ane
aya wontie
okay sure
ena Madam Fatima Salifu enso di na woda ene Madam Fatima Salifu enso ene di na woda woye community health nurse ewo Doma Central ewo Doma entino we efri kwaku mensa brampa Madam Fatima Salifu nyame nhira kwaku mensa brampa se nyame nye okese na wonyu fri adomo enko adomo happy birthday
Fatima nso ntie Sompa 101.3 ewo Doma
mo edempa enyasem kuma
ebeko kama
die twatwe nso eya akwada yi onu su di na woda Juliana Dansoa Asare enin Juliana Dansoa Asare enin wono so edi na woda ene we efri ne papa ya wo ye adwuma e wo Fiaseman Rural Bank e wo Bogoso enti no Mr George ata enin ene ne ho kani ene wo se wo mo ebe nyame nhira no ne wonyini emeye panimpa dache enti nse we de Bogoso de onu so
betimi atie Sompa takwa na Sompa takra de 101.1 ana 103.3 ni nyina wo muntie ebusuafo ni nyina ntie ho
nyame nhira papa
ya chamo bi enje
obi wasem tia wa benya wodi twatwe na de na wode ma ye na ye nsori so
ene me na wase Akosua I am say for the first time in this year I feel na me tuja afa so
oh yes I see you know me ko ya
ba ko se ko ba wa e fe pa
so ko ba so ma be hia yo
no
ya kola si mi nyai wo mo no mo kasa ata no so de yentimi nya ne sa
o ka so be di adwene da achi a
ye be hia
so fra tia no de
and da wono
last day how the call
I see akwasi betima wo ho
sa no pe wo se makana samu o
sa
senti no wa ho
ba ko no
yes so do di bibia so so ren konko ye yi na
sa de ne musu no wadi kan ye yi ansa do ko ye yi
senti no be so be ye yi a wodi te he ya wo hu ni
enti no who show Facebook no so Akosua last day e wo last year mu and what
so you so 4 minutes o they put my search
mama nko Accra International Airport.
Oh, okay.
Na nsana no. Mama Musa Ghana Immigrations irade. Ya na me iti me pese me immigration for benya se be na be kan bia ma. Ghana Immigration Service Head of Legal Lawyer Flip Ando nti wate ho yede. Enei wate office wo jide. Diem pana immigration hierarchy no the current crop of immigration leadership. Na me mpese me ko mo su bebre but ase omo nyi omo workers omo staff nansen am say early this month and a Ghana Airport Company Limited. A de letter be barbonting. Mammy first letter no na. First release, no yeah. Press release. Over headline now. Measures to curb extortion at the airport. Until we 5th August 2026. And on this press release by. Yan so extortion so. Ending of our borders and even inland. Yan so extortions until police for cry ya katia. When 2026, once the date was who? When 2 airport staff, I think the terminal 2 is the terminal 3. Called near maybe answer so airport company, a chain or mason you or free ho. And nobody way by. And day numbers to a chase say, oh, Bahona or Bayawa, dear, no be busa scanning idea. Recorded with date, time, and onipa crowd. Ni din ni bibia fafa number so on WhatsApp. Adichi ya pedom Sunday another press release. Bye. Mame second one. And also updates on action taken against extortion at Accra International Airport. Inti we normal de chere say nkofo ni mienu na koye sa ade no. Omo atwomaso. Which is me no I understand and I agree with Ghana Airport Company. Say omo air crack the whip against extortion and as well extorted from travelers and as a passengers. Fast forward and a video being so I imagine mami video being so imagine just I think a few days ago. This video no was captured somewhere 2 years ago. 2 years ago me say me ka wa ha say me so extortions so enti we say this lady in the video at that time was share client. The clients no and I say passenger no on the trial video we no. And now obisa and say na say yeah busa something for the boys. And no the obisa breakfast coins. And also me kwa me bro breakfast no. Ni nyina say na oye no video. And na sa time no when Timian released this video. Amayan fan chema me na so. And na enne this lady in the Ghana Airport, ND Airport, Ghana Immigration Service Airport, only hobby. And this video by and for can say video waiting na ya transfer the free ho. Time a buying say hierarchy no Ghana Immigration Service. Exercise ya reshuffle. And a lady we ye omu free airport. Almost 2 years in ye and you free ho. Afei nene omodi video we aba be justify say there are extortions immigration office airport into this lady you na free because of that extortion. Meanwhile say why extort you be which I believe say time no na was saying the video we ba when owo ho no and I say the video way back. Now, I say name and shame, no. Na ya twena so. But yeah, can't to say because airport for the video, release he by yeah telling the populace say obi ye bibi say ya video na fabra ne ade no. And na omudi we ya be justify no. And then Ghana Immigration Service headquarters, head of legal maboni din lawyer Flipando motete ho. They are in office soaking tea. I'm going to be defending way in Kase. Maame no kromo yini free even before this thing. Before Ghana Airport Company release you the buy this numbers he buy in and whoever released this video now, what prevented him or her to release this video then? And then what motive? And then what into they release this video way down. Ghana Immigration Service cannot defend their own. Now it is say ye Ghana Immigration Service head office here airport ye say ya kire say obi aba obi atimi video nti we say we an earlier video though but now obi akwa waso camera sisu because okwa akotwa video exposing and no na make out for foreign country so exposing your security details our airports e dey akire. I'm not saying say those who are involved in extortion should be condoned. Never. But we should do the right thing at the right time. What you say? Enti odi over crowd here na newspaper too na di kan boy no na fa shape. But I didn't make any nyina say me say why now this video, why now? Na Ghana Immigration Service ain't me make country and say this video was taken. You bet me the gate near there.